Every GMC Acadia owner knows the struggle. Cluttered interiors, stuff sliding around in the trunk, annoying auto start-stop kicking in at the worst moments, and nowhere good to put your phone or oversized drink. These budget must-haves fix the everyday headaches without breaking the bank. I've gone through real-world use, feedback, and practicality to highlight what actually works. As always, links to every product are waiting for you in the video description. Starting off with the 4D-Tech Auto Start-Stop Eliminator, this is a must-have if your GMC Acadia constantly shuts off at stoplights and drives you crazy. The biggest win is that it automatically remembers your preference and disables the auto start-stop system every time you start the vehicle. Installation is true. Plug and play, with no cutting, splicing, or programming needed. It does not interfere with remote start or factory settings and will not affect your warranty. Built by a United States-based company, it feels like a factory-installed solution that just works. Next up, the JOULARISE cargo mats, which are clutch if you haul groceries, sports gear, or kids' stuff non-stop. They're custom fit for the 7-passenger Acadia and made from tough, water-resistant TPE material. The triple fixation system keeps everything locked in place, even on rough roads. Cleaning is easy, just wipe or rinse, and once they flatten out from shipping, they look sharp and stay put. The FormiPow retractable cargo cover is all about privacy and organization. It fits the trunk perfectly and installs in seconds with no tools. The flannel lining helps prevent scratches and annoying rattles, which reviewers really appreciate. It keeps your gear hidden from prying eyes and blocks ultraviolet rays, helping protect your interior from sun fade during long summer drives. The Mixsuper liner car seat organizer is a lifesaver if your Acadia's back seat turns into a mess after every drive. It fits neatly between the rear seats and adds a ton of usable storage without getting in the way. Made from premium leather with a diamond stitch design and reinforced with strong Oxford material, it feels sturdy and looks upscale. It's great for kids' toys, pet gear, snacks, or road trip essentials, and it helps fill the seat gap so pets don't slip through. Easy to install, easy to carry, and super practical for daily driving or trips. The Trunknets Cargo Net is a simple but super effective upgrade. Groceries, luggage, and loose items stay exactly where you put them instead of sliding everywhere. The elastic polypropylene net is strong, flexible, and easy to install in seconds. It folds flat when not in use and includes a storage bag, which makes it perfect for daily driving and road trips alike. The Swigzy cup holder expander is a must if your water bottle never fits. It expands to hold larger bottles securely, even on rough roads. The offset base keeps it from blocking nearby cup holders, which is a big win. Reviews consistently mention how sturdy it feels and how it handles oversized bottles without wobbling or popping out. The ECOZEN center console organizer is a clean solution for small item chaos. It's custom molded for specific Acadia trims and drops right in with no tools. The TPE material reduces rattling and keeps everything from sliding around. Phones, keys, cards, and sunglasses finally have a proper home, making the interior feel way more organized. Finally, the Muslogy center console kit is a serious upgrade for anyone tired of digging through a messy console. Designed using 3-dimensional laser scan data, you get multiple trays plus a hidden storage box, all made from durable ABS with waterproof PVC insert mats. No rattling, no odors, no tools, just clean, organized storage that looks factory. All these upgrades prove you don't need to spend big money to make your GMC Acadia more comfortable, organized, and enjoyable to drive. Check the links in the video description to see current prices and compatibility details. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more budget-friendly vehicle upgrades and real-world reviews.